Good Sunday morning. Here's a continuation from my snowstorm that started on Friday. This is what it's like to live in snow country. Remember earlier when that tree, how much grass you could see before? Right now we've got, I would say, probably 6 to 8 inches of snow right now. And it's supposed to continue today. And tomorrow is supposed to be heavier than today's. But it's beautiful outside. And I'll be back later today with some more. Thank you for visiting.